Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. If you are a reader, you probably know the pain of keeping track of the books you want to read, the books you're currently reading, and the books you have already finished. And as a developer, I wanted to solve this problem by building something that wasn't just functional, but also incredibly beautiful to use. Welcome to Bookago, your ultimate modern digital library platform. Hello everyone, I'm Jackie, and in this video, I'm going to give you a complete tour of Bookago. This is an open source library management platform I built specifically to celebrate Indonesian literature and beyond. Today, I'll walk you through the awesome features we packed into this platform, and stick around because in the second half of the video we are going to dive under the hood and look at the code that makes it all run, from the Google Books API to real-time Firebase syncs. Let's get into it. First impressions matter. When you land on Bookago, the goal was to make it feel premium, fast, and alive. The entire front end is built using Tailwind CSS and powered by Alpine GS for those buttery-smooth micro-interactions. Further down, we have the bento box style feature grid. Everything's animated gracefully as you scroll, utilizing custom intersections observes I wrote in vanilla JavaScript. But here is where it gets really cool. The platform is 100% mobile responsive. Managing complex dashboards on a phone is notoriously difficult, but in Bookago, the massive sidebars tuck away cleanly into a beautifully animated slide-out drawer. The top navigation transforms in its dense links into a compact, thumb-friendly hamburger menu. Whatever device you are holding, the platform adapts flawlessly. Alright, a library is nothing without books. Instead of manually typing out thousands of books into a database, I integrated the Google Books API natively right into the application. When you search for an author or a title, our Laravel backend intercepts that request and concurrently queries the Google Books API using Laravel's HTTP pool. This means we fire off multiple search strategies at exactly the exact same time, searching by title, by author, and by subject. The result? It instantly fetched rich metadata, high-quality cover image, page counts, and publisher details. And to keep the platform lightning fast, the results are automatically cached on the server, meaning the second time someone searches for this book, it loads instantly. Now, here is my absolute favorite feature, real-time cloud sync. Bookago isn't just a traditional Laravel app, it's a hybrid. I write up Firebase Firestore directly into the front end. Watch this. If I have my mobile phone open on the right and my laptop open on the left, and I click save on this book, boom, the book tersimpan or saved books counter on my dashboard updates instantly on both devices. No page refreshes. Alright, now using Alpine GS and Firebase listeners, the entire interface reacts to a database and changes instantly. Whether you update your reading progress or save a new book to your collection, the state of the app changes across every screen you own in under 200 milliseconds. Okay, let's get to next. Of course, someone has to manage all this, which is why Bookago features a robust admin panel. Admins get a bird's eye view of the entire platform. They can manage user roles, delete spam accounts, and monitor reading trends. And speaking of the community, we built a fully functional discussion forum. Users can start threads, upload images, and engage in literary debates. I designed it to feel like a modern social feed. Users can edit their posts, drop replies, and admins have absolute control to moderate the space to keep it friendly and safe. So, how does the code actually look? Let's take a quick look at the Laravel backend in our book controller. This is how we handle the complex Google book search. We utilize Laravel's HTTP pull facade instead of waiting for one API call to finish before starting the next. We fire them all asynchronously. This drastically reduces load time. Okay, and over on the front end, we use Blade components combined with Alpine.js. Look at this book cart component. We pass the exact book data directly into Alpine's xData attribute. This allows the component to manage its own state handling hover animations. Checking if the user has saved the book, and asynchronously pinging our Firebase wrapper functions when the user clicks the bookmark button. Okay, now we are in the end of the video. Building Bookago has been an incredibly fun journey, combining the solid, secure backend routing of Laravel with the real-time, snappy capabilities of Firebase and Alpine.js really creates a phenomenal user experience. The best part? It's completely open source. If you want to dive into the code yourself, fork the repository, or even contribute your own features, the GitHub link is right down in the description below. If you are enjoying this technical showcase, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment and on what feature you found the coolest. And subscribe if you want to see more full stack development projects just like this. Thank you so much for your watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that's all from me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.